Okay everyone, here is a do-it-yourself full-length vanity mirror with lights. And this mirror costed less than $50 to make, so it's a really inexpensive craft. So if you want to see how my fiance made this beautiful mirror, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to need for the DIY vanity mirror is a mirror, obviously. This one was from Ross and it's only $20 and it's the 12 by 48 inches and I got it in the kind of like off-white. The next thing you're gonna need is some string lights. I'll leave the link down below to tell you where I got mine from, and they're the clear bulbs. They also had frosted ones, but I just wanted to try these out. And the last thing you're going to need is this dimmer. Basically it just makes your lights darker or brighter, just to see what works better for your pictures. So basically you just plug in the lights to this and it just dims them. So yeah, this is from Home Depot. This was this was $12. This was $15. I paid $10 extra just to get it the same day, and it arrived the same day. And yeah, this was a $20 one. So yeah, I'm so excited. So let's get started. Okay, so the ones that I ordered, like I said, were the clear bulbs. They also have the frosted ones. And I got the ones that are 50, I think they're called I think they were G50 or 50G, something like that. But basically these ones are 2 inches. You can get them smaller. The 40 ones are 1.5 inches and the 30 ones are 1 inch. But I wanted them kind of big. So yeah, I ordered these ones. So let's turn them on. They're so cool when they're on. Okay, so this is what the lights look like. Super cute and clear. And then this is the dimmer. Not focusing. Okay, and this is what the dimmer looks like. So basically all I did was connect the dimmer to the outlet and then connected the lights to the dimmer. Okay, so now I'm going to turn them on. How pretty. They're so pretty. And then let me just dim them a little bit. And this is the brightest. Don't touch them, Bubba, they're hot. And this is the lowest. Brightest, lowest. How pretty. I'm so excited. I forgot to mention that I would recommend buying the one that goes over the door for easy storage. And for the lights, they're actually the string lights, the ones that you use on the patio, like people use them at restaurants. So yeah, it's just easier to make it with these lights. These lights are actually 12 inches apart, so we're gonna need them to be a little bit less than 12 inches apart. I'm guessing 10 inches apart. So yeah, I'm gonna map it out right now. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a ruler and a pencil, because we're gonna be mapping out where we're gonna be putting the lights. And the thing is that the lights that I have, okay, so the thing is that the lights that I have, they're actually spread out by 12 inches. So we're going to need to make sure that each of the things are a little bit less than 12 inches so that they can have room for the string in the back, the wire in the back. So I'm thinking I'm going to do 6. I'm going to do 6, and then the width is 3. So the middle would be 1.5. We're just going to place the ruler and then make a little dot where the 6 is. Okay, and then we're just going to keep doing that. Keep going. Place the ruler. Place a little dot where the 6 is. So we're going to do it all, the whole thing. So place the ruler. Place the dot where the 6 is. So then you're going to take the ruler, and mine was 3 inches, so we're gonna hit the middle point, which is 1.5. So wherever the other dot was that you did, the one that was 6 inches apart, you're just gonna go to that line, that dot, and then go to the 1.5 and just make another dot. And then we're gonna go to the next one. So this one's the second one. Go to 1.5 and make another dot. So now that's the center. That's where you need to make the holes. Okay, so this is the one that we're using. We're using a Milwaukee. This is a compact or impact, babe?
Impact.
Impact.
No, compact.
Compact. And the size, you can't really see, but it's size 1. Say hello to my handsome fiance.
Hi. I guess
what are we doing?
Using a 1-inch butterfly gel makes a perfect circle. This is 7/8.
We need to make it bigger because the little thing didn't fit.
To make it a little bit bigger. So. Don't follow me.
I broke it, Daddy.
You broke it.
No, I didn't.
Woo, it's so cool. So then we're just gonna continue that all around.
It's pretty simple. Anybody could do this. Anybody could do this.
I know, but it means more that you're doing it for me,
I know,
babe.
but I'm just saying, like anybody out there could do it for anybody else.
Daddy.
Oh, they're cheering me. So see, so cute when you're doing it. Hashtag cute and chubby. Okay, so basically he took out all of the bulbs and just take them out of the little sockets. So then he's gonna add the sockets and then all of the things to the here. Okay, so look, Apple, say hi in the mirror.
Hi. It's like I could do a video.
You okay? Do a video.
Look at me!
So now he's just plugging in the little bulbs to the socket.
And then my daughter's helping him.
And my daughter's helping him. Okay, so the first thing we did was connect the dimmer to the string lights. Okay, babe, go. I want to see. I'm so excited.
Me too!
Me too. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished product of the do-it-yourself full-length vanity mirror. Okay, so now we have the little clicker. Let's go ahead and turn it on. How pretty! Oh my god, I love it. So this is the darkest. This is the brightest. So excited to use this one. Look how pretty it is. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. There's the do-it-yourself full-length vanity mirror with lights that my handsome fiance made me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!